Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our math video. We're going to be working on adding with changing the order of the addends. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. Why can you add addends in any order? Read it with me this time. Why can you add addends in any order? What should we do? Penny? Oh, hi, Riley. Are you helping Penny? Penny, Riley, what should we do? Penny and Riley say we need to write an I can statement. All right, my friends, what's the rule about that little word I? Yes, it needs to be capitalized. I can, and. How do I spell can? Yes, C-A-N, add. A-D-D, addends, A-D-D-E-N-D-S, in. How do I spell that little word in? Yes, in, any, A-N-Y, order, O-R-D-E-R. What goes at the end of my statement? Yes, we need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement by myself the first time. You read it with me the second time. I can add addends in any order. Read it again, my friends. I can add addends in any order. Now, my friends, you should be asking yourself something. Yeah, that's what you should be asking. Mrs. Amodemo, what does that mean? Well, this one is going to take a little vocabulary. Let me erase real quick, and we're going to talk vocab. All right, my friends, let's talk vocabulary. I've got 3 plus 2 equals 5. Penny, what is 3 plus 2 equals 5 an example of? Penny says 3 plus 2 equals 5 is an equation, or sometimes what I like to call it is a number sentence. It's just telling us what to do. This is telling us we're going to take 3 and 2 and we're going to push them together. That's what adding is, when we put things together. So this is an example of a number sentence. Now, each piece of our number sentence has a name, my friends. Each piece of our number sentence has a name. So, the numbers you are adding. What numbers are we adding? Penny, what numbers are we adding? Penny says we're adding 3 and we're adding 2. The numbers you are adding are called addends. That's what you call them. So those are addends, my friends. And do you remember what we call the answer to an addition sentence? Yeah, this is the sum. All right, my friends. So a number sentence is the 3 plus 2 equals 5. The 3 and the 2, the things you are adding, are the addends. And the answer is called the sum. You've got that? Good. Now, here's what we're working on today, my friends. We're going to be switching the order of the addends. And the name of that is the commutative property. Yeah, I know it's a big, long word, but all it means is to switch the order of the addends. So this domino shows 3 plus 2 equals 5. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, my friends, with the commutative property, I can turn my number sentence around. Let me write it up here turned around. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And let's use the domino to prove it. So ready, my friends? Let's add count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all switching the order of the addends, my friends, means. It's taking it from 3 plus 2 and flipping it to 2 plus 3. It's just moving the addends, the numbers you're adding, around. Sounds pretty easy, right? Let me erase this, my friends. Let's try a couple. I think you're going to like this. I think it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, my friends. I've written 2 addition sentences for us to solve. And after we solve them, I want to switch the orders of the addends so we can practice the commutative property. So let's start here. 1 plus 4 equals something. Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to draw a quick pick, and she's right. So my friends, let's get started. We've got 1 plus 4. So I need 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my friends, you know if I circle the whole thing, in math, that is how I model adding. Can you help me count it up? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my friends, what is the sum of 1 plus 4? Yeah, the sum of 1 plus 4 is 5. All right, my friends. Now, let's switch the order of the addends. So my addends, we can use the domino, are 1 plus 4. But if I flip it over, what's my new number sentence? Penny, what's my new number sentence? Penny says my new number sentence is going to be 4 plus 1. And that's going to equal something. Oh, you know what it equals. That's because you're very smart. Pretend you don't know, my friends. Pretend you don't know. So here's my addends. Here's 1, and here's 4, and we switched the order. We made 4 first, and we made 1 second. And now, my friends, we just have to draw the quick pick again. So I need 4 counters for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need 1 counter for the 1. And what should I do next? Yeah, you're right. I got to circle the whole thing. So I've got to circle the whole thing. And now we've got to count it up. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the sum of 4 plus 1? Yes, the sum is 5. Did you notice something? I hope you noticed something. Yeah, my friends, if 1 plus 4 equals 5, then 4 plus 1 also equals 5. When you add, my friends, only with adding, but when you add, the order doesn't matter. You can switch the numbers around. That's what the commutative property is about. You can switch the order of the addends. So we could do 1 plus 4 equals 5, or we could do 4 plus 1, and we still get 5. Kind of cool, right? Let's try this one. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What should we do? Yeah, let's draw a quick pick. It worked for us before. So I need 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need how many? Yeah, I need 2 more counters. 1, 2. And then, my friends, I'm going to circle the whole thing, because in math, that's how we show in our quick pick we are adding. And then, my friends, would you please help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, my friends, what is the sum of 6 plus 2? Yeah, the sum of 6 plus 2 is 8. And now, you know what I'm going to ask. We've got to switch the order of the addends, because that's the skill we're working on today, my friends. So here are my addends. My addends are 6, and my addends are 2. Now, 6 is first this time, so it can't be first the next time. So we've got to say 2 plus 6 is going to equal a sum. Ooh, some of you would already know what the sum is. Fantastic. So my friends, where did I do with my domino? Here we go. So it was 6 plus 2, and now we've changed the order of the addends, and our new equation is 2 plus 6. Let's figure it out. All right, my friends, so I need 2 counters. 1, 2, and I need 6 counters for the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got to circle the whole thing. And would you help me count it up? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Help me count it again, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the sum of 2 plus 6? Yeah, the sum is 8. How are we feeling about this? Oh, we like this. How are we feeling, my friends? Let's do a quick check-in. Thumbs up. I got this, Mrs. Amodemo. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out. It's making some sense. I think I've got it. I just need a little more practice. Thumbs down. It's new, Mrs. Amodemo. I'd feel better if we did a few more together so I could practice it a little more. All right, my friends. Thank you for checking in with me. It lets me know where we're at. So, my friends, let me erase this. And we'll try a couple more on the board, a couple on paper, and do one word problem, all right? Be right back. All right, my friends, we've got 2 more problems to solve on this board. Let's figure it out. So we've got 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. What do you think we should do? No, I'm not going to ask Penny. I'm asking you, what do you think we should do? Yeah, we can draw a quick pick, or if you've got them, you can use a domino. This one shows a picture of 4 plus 0. I'm going to draw a quick pick just because I know not everybody has dominoes at home. All right, my friends, 4. How many counters? Yeah, I need 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we worked on this last time. What do I draw for 0? Penny, what do I draw for 0? Penny says I draw nothing for 0. 0 is holding the place. It does not have value that we can count up. So my friends, I am going to leave this space empty, but I am going to circle like there was something there. And then my friends, we're just going to count up like normal. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, my friends, so what's the sum of 4 plus 0? Yeah, the sum of 4 plus 0 is 4. We started with 4. We didn't add anything to it, so we still have 4. Now, I want you to help me write my number sentence when I switch the order of the addends. Penny, what do we call it when we switch the order of the addends? Penny says we call it the commutative property. And you need to learn that, my friends, because they're going to be talking about the commutative property all the way through high school. So just put it in your brain now. So, Penny, what's my new number sentence? Penny says my new number sentence is 0 plus 4 is going to equal our sum. Because remember, my friends, our addends are 4 and 0. So 4 was first, so it has to become our second addend, and 0 was second, so it has to become our first addend. And then we solve it how? Yeah, just like we did before. 0, no counters, none. No counters for 0. And then we need 4 counters for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we circle our counters. And we count them up. Help me count, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, my friends. Next number sentence. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Now, if you've got it, my friends, you can use your domino for 6 plus 5 to help you solve. You can count them up the dots. Or, if you don't have dominoes, you can draw a quick pick. Let's do it. So, 6. I need 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for 5, I need 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, my friends, I'm going to circle the whole thing. And I'm going to count it up. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, big number. Help me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my friends, tell me, what is the sum of 6 plus 5? Yes! 6 plus 5 equals 11. And I think that might be the biggest number we've added to so far. I have to think about it. All right, my friends, we have to use the commutative property to switch the order of the addends. So my addends are 6 and 5. So let's switch the order right now. All right. 6 was first, so 6 can't be first. 5 was second, so 5 is going to be my first number. 5 plus 6 is going to equal our sum. Oh, some of you are telling me you already know the sum. That's fantastic. Pretend you don't know. Let's solve it. It's fantastic you know, but let me solve it like we're pretending you don't know. So my friends, 5, I need 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I need 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to circle it up, my friends. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count it again, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my friends, what is the sum of 5 plus 6? Yeah, it's 11. And what is the name of the property that makes 6 plus 5 equals 11 and 5 plus 6 equals 11? What's the name of the property? Do you remember? Yes, it's the commutative property, my friends. Commute means to move around. So the commutative property means we can move around our addends. All right, my friends, let's switch to paper. All right, my friends, let me read the directions by myself the first time. You read it with me the second time. Directions: solve the problem, then change the order of the addends and solve to check. Read it with me this time, my friends. Directions: solve the problem, then change the order of the addends and solve to check. All right, my friends, this is what we were doing. So we've got 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, and my friends, I have a domino that matches that number sentence, 3 plus 5. So I could count the dots on my domino, but if you don't have a domino, my friends, you can draw a quick pick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to circle the whole thing. And then, my friends, let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my friends, what is the sum of 3 plus 5? Yeah, the sum is 8. This spot over here is for us to write our new number sentence. So our addends are 3 and 5. Our addends are 3 and 5. And we've got to switch the order. So my friends, I'm just going to use the domino to model it. I'm just going to spin my domino around. So my new number sentence is going to be 5 plus 3. And then I've just got to draw a quick pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to circle it and put it together. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, my friends. What's the sum of 5 plus 3? It is 8. I've got 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. We are correct. All right, my friends, pause the video, solve the next problems on your own, and then hit play, and let's see if we agree. All right, my friends, how did we do? Do we match? I hope we match. I hope you're feeling better about this. Let's go try a word problem. All right, my friends, this is our last problem. Let me read it first by myself, and then you read it with me the second time. Michael has 8 stickers, and Amy has 3 stickers. How many stickers do they have all together? Read it with me this time, my friends. Michael has 8 stickers, and Amy has 3 stickers. How many stickers do they have all together? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to break the problem down. What does she mean? Penny, what do you mean? Penny says I have to figure out my start, my change, and my end. We've done that a lot. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's break this problem down. So, Michael has 8 stickers. So my friends, we are starting with 8. And Amy has 3 stickers. So our change is going to be 3. How many stickers do they have all together? How many stickers do they have all together is our end. Sounds like we don't know. What do we call the thing we don't know? Penny, what do we call the thing we don't know?
Penny, look.
Penny says the thing we don't know is called the variable. And I'm going to use my question mark to stand for my variable. All right, my friends. So we start with 8, then we get 3 more, and then we got to figure out how many we have all together when we put them together. So if we're going to put them together, are we adding or subtracting, my friends? Yeah, we are adding. So we know we've got to start with 8, and then we've got to add 3 to it, and that is going to give us our variable, our sum, so that we can solve this problem. What should we do now? No, I'm not asking Penny. What should we do now? Yeah, either break out a domino. I don't have a domino that matches this one. Or draw a quick pick. So smart. So my friends, we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we need 3 counters for 3. 1, 2, 3. And then my friends, I am going to circle it and we are going to put it all together. All right, my friends, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my friends, what is the sum of 8 plus 3? Yeah, the sum of 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, oh no, you're not done? No. What do we need to do? Yeah, we need to draw a bar model so that we can show it our information in another way. You remember we draw a big rectangle, we split the rectangle in half, we split the top box into 2 boxes, and then we break it down. We're going to use 8, 3, and 11. I'm going to put them here. So we're going to use 8, we're going to use 3, we're going to use 11. Biggest number goes in the biggest box. What's my biggest number? Yes, 11 is my biggest number, so 11 gets the biggest box. Smallest box gets the, yeah, it gets the smallest number. What's smaller, 8 or 3? Correct, 3 is the smallest number. 3 gets the smallest box, which means our 8 is our middle number, and our 8 gets the middle box. So it's looking good. Now, what if I said that Amy wasn't sure we were right? Because she's in the word problem. What could we use to double check? Yes, we've been working on it today. The commutative property, my friends. We could take this 8 plus 3, and we could switch the order of the addends. So here's my 8, here's my 3, those are my addends. I could switch the order of my addends. So I could say 3 plus 8 equals, I think I'm going to erase that to give us a little room. And then we'd have to solve it. And if we get the same answer, we're awesome. Let's do it, my friends. So 3, I need 3 counters. 1, 2, 3, 8. It looks like I need 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, my friends, I'm going to circle the whole thing, and we're going to count it up. All right, my friends, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my friends, the sum of 3 plus 8 equaled 11. It equaled the same thing. That's good, because if it didn't, it means we did something wrong, my friends. Switching the order of the addends should never change your sum. If you get something different, go back and double check it. What, Penny? Hi, Riley. Penny and Riley say they want to go for a walk. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I hope you're feeling comfortable with changing the order of the addends. Remember, you know lots of different strategies now. We can use our fingers, we can draw a quick pick, we can use a domino. We know so many different ways to solve addition problems. I'll see you next time. Bye.